Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I have another hair review, and this hair is from Beautyforever. And in this box I have a beautiful unit which I really love, and I want to show you guys. This is what it looks like. This is their lace closure body wave wig, and it is really amazing. It's Brazilian 4x4 lace closure, and it is 24 inches, and the density of this hair is 180%. And you can see how lush it looks. This is how coily it came, how wavy it came. It's a body wave, and then the lace you see is just like that. It has some combs to the back, some combs to the side for you to just put this head on, and you will feel really secured. So I'm going to quickly show you what I did. The purpose of this video is to show you the quality of this wig. It's not about how to install your hair. Most of you know how to install already, but I'm just going to go ahead and just show you anyways. Then I would like you to check the description box for the details of this wig, and anything that you need to tell me, just let me know in the comment section. I'll be there to interact with you. So I went ahead and used this Babyliss coiling one, which of course was a big fail. Guys, this coiling one, I don't even know why I bought it, because it's not doing its job. It's not doing its job. Like, the heat is good and everything, and I tried to, you know, like put some bold coils on this hair, but it wasn't working. This doesn't hold wig coils. This is not the first time I'm using this coiler, but it doesn't hold coils. Like, it just loose, and I didn't want very loose coils. So I'll go ahead and show you what I did afterward. I just finished using it on all the hair. I felt like a waste of time, but I just went ahead with it anyways. And so after I have finished, you know, putting these coils that were not going to stay, I just went ahead and just put this hair on. And you can braid your hair under if you want. You can just make sure that your hair under is flat, so that I can give you a flawless install. So the next thing I'm going to do, this came in the pack of the hair. I got some accessory. This is one of the stuff that came in the bag. So I took some of the clips and held my hair back, and I'm going to go right away and cut off the excess lace in the front. Right, so after I sprayed in got to be spray or bed head, whichever one you have, because they both serve the same purpose, I'm going to just pull out a little bit of hair in the front as baby hairs. I want to wear this wig like it's a frontal wig, so I'm just gonna just bring hair out, tie the lace down for a while for it to like dry a little bit, so that the lace will really melt. And after a while I removed the elastic band that I used. Then I went on with my hot comb iron and flattened the top of the hair, which is really good. You know, sometimes when hair compact, you know, they tend to like shift position when they are in the pack in transit, so you don't want to just put that hair on like that. Just want to, like, you know, work on it a little bit to give it, you know, nice looking stuff. And like you can see, the coils have already dropped. So yeah, it's not the fault of the hair that the coils drop. That Babyliss coiling one is not good at all. Like, I do not recommend it at all. The purpose of it was just defeated. So yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and make sure that the hair is laid flat and laid well. And yeah, this is very easy to install, very quick to install. The quality of this hair is amazing. It's full, it's very full. I like it, this wig, a lot. So yeah, and what I did, just to show you that this hair can actually coil, I'm going to use another one, which of course I trust more, which of course have never failed me, which of course I always use in my videos, so it doesn't fail me. It is the Remington curly wand. I'll show you in a bit, but this is the one that didn't work, so I won't be using it again. Like, doesn't work. It's a no for me. So when I use this Remington one and I use it on heat 210, and you see the coils I just formed in the front there, and it doesn't drop. The coils are nice. You can see what I did there. So I went ahead and just did a few in front, and I gathered the remaining head at this on the bottom and just did it together, because I don't have time to sit down and do another to coil this hair again. I don't have time. But this hair actually take coils, so it's not the fault of the hair that the first curly one didn't work. So you can see for yourself how lush this hair looks, guys. Just save yourself some stress and get this wig. It's amazing, it's beautiful, it's true to length, there is no shedding, everything, the quality, everything is good. So yeah, you can see how it looks on side A and side B, everything looking posh, lush. Yeah, that is it, guys. This is very simple wig installation. Like I said before, just for me to tell you about the quality of the hair, because you need to know the quality of the hair you're buying. So don't be scared to go for this hair. It's beautiful, it has good texture, it has good volume, everything. The construction of the wig is amazing. And yeah, that is it, guys. So guys, wishing you guys a happy new year wherever you are, and thanks so much, guys, for supporting me. Don't forget to check the description box for this hair and everything that you need to know. Just let me know, because I have all the information in the description box. And so yeah, this will be all for now. I'm just going to show you my final look, and until my next one, we'll talk again. Bye, guys.